Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You act now. Hold the garment so the stain faces away from you and scrape off solids with a dull edge. Once scraped, run cold water through the back of the stain for 30 to 60 seconds to push pigment out. This reduces permanent set. Make sure to blot, not rub. Rubbing spreads the stain and embeds chocolate deeper. If fabric is delicate, support it to avoid stretching and move to a flat surface to apply the next treatment step. You now pretreat. Squirt a small amount of liquid laundry detergent or an enzyme stain remover onto the stained area, enough to wet the fibers. Gently work it into the fabric with a soft brush or your fingers for 1 to 2 minutes so enzymes and surfactants start breaking fats and proteins. Once done, let the treatment sit for 5 to 15 minutes. Make sure it remains moist. If it starts to dry, mist with water. This step lifts chocolate components before you finish by washing with the coolest water safe for the fabric and a normal dose of detergent. Wash with light colors to prevent transfer. After the cycle, inspect the stain. Do not tumble dry until it's fully gone because heat sets stains permanently. If you still see residue, repeat the pretreat and wash again. Troubleshooting tip. If chocolate persists, soak overnight in an oxygen bleach solution following package directions. Avoid chlorine bleach on colored fabrics because
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.